What's up, what's up? That nation. HSD Nation. So, what I seen last night really bothers me, man. I live in this truck. I work in this truck. My whole life. When I get in this truck and I leave my house to go over the road, to work local, whatever I do, my whole life is now centered around my job, doing things the right way, and safe, right? So, Pennsylvania is horrible for truck drivers. Horrible. No respect. They have no parking. They have nothing. Okay? So, I'm going to show you what I spotted last night at a service center. Now, these were not the only people illegally parked. It was not just this guy. But check this video out and wait till you hear what the real problem and excuse is. Now also, look at the execution of what he did. Now, what this guy did, it would not surprise me if somebody would have shot a bullet through that window at this guy. Watch what he did. So check this out. We got guys here. We're out of hours. There's nowhere to park in Pennsylvania. They have roads closed. And you have officers running around here doing this. He hasn't knocked on the window. He hasn't done nothing. He climbs on the man's truck, shines a light in his face. Like that's... He hasn't even knocked on his door. No respect. No respect at all. Tell me what, these guys are out of hours. They're not bothering us, so, you know. There's no parking in place. I guess these guys are like, really, they're not staying, but you shine your light in. Now, if you do that to their house, you're a beaten down. So I just spoke to the guy. He's the cops over here. He says this guy being here is going to cause an accident. But this here is okay. Like down there, like I can probably barely make this turn. That's okay. Them trucks down there are okay. But for some reason, this truck, he made that white one move and he made this guy move. But the one down at the back is okay. So, this guy said he's been here since 8 o'clock. It's, I think it's like 9:30, 10 o'clock. So now, he has no hours, but he's got to move down the road. Don't know where he's going to go. So, he's been forced by the officer to leave. But, alright guys, we're going to get on down the road. I just thought you'd like to see a little fun in the sun. Welcome to trucking. No respect from the cops. There he goes. Poor man. Out here trying to make a living. This is hopefully he can find somewhere down there. I offered him this spot, but he didn't want this spot because he says there's somebody behind me waiting for it. But all right, we're gonna go down the road. And now look, as soon as he pulls out, somebody else pulls in. That cop will sit there all night and do that. So, all right, guys, we got to go. Got to go.